Hi, my name is Belle, and my experiment was on what color cats preferred. For my experiment, I went out to the stores with my dad and I searched for bowls in the primary colors. If you don't know, the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. I unfortunately could not find these colors, so I had to use orange, blue, and green instead. I then went to PetSmart and got 3 cans of the same type of wet cat food. I figured that the easiest way to measure it and make it equal for each bowl to have the same amount of food was to just grab a plastic spoon and fill it to the same amount each time, just a spoonful, and put it in the center of each bowl. I then took the 3 bowls into a room that the cat was familiar with. That way any surrounding objects wouldn't distract him or confuse him or make him scared or anything like that, that he'd been comfortable in the room. That way the experiment would go as well as possible. I then laid out the bowls in a straight line, each 1 foot apart from each other. And each time I did this in different orders. That way I would know if the cat just went to one side, like the right side, or if he actually chose a color. I'd then take the cat into the room and hold on to him for about 5 seconds, just so he knew his surroundings again and he wouldn't be scared or be distracted by anything else in the room. Then I'd place him down a couple feet away from the lined up bowls. I'd then record anything he did that was either unusual or what bowl he chose or anything like that, whether he got distracted or he initially went to one bowl and changed his mind at the last second, anything like that I'd record in my logbook. I did this 10 days in a row, but I switched the orders of the bowls each time. That way I just knew the most accurate answer. My hypothesis was proven incorrect during this experiment. I thought that the cat was going to go to orange just because it's the brightest and boldest color, but he actually went to blue, and he went to green the least. So the reason I did this experiment was because I was very excited to get my cats, and I really just wanted to do something with them because I was so excited to have them. And so I figured that because the science fair was coming up, that I could use them, and the first thing that popped into my head was what colors would cats prefer. So I decided to do that experiment. I hope you enjoyed my summary of my experiment. Thank you. Goodbye. So these are some pictures of my cats selecting the bowls in the designated area.